Hi everyone, this is Group 4 and we are here for our video presentation of a topic Solar Dishwasher. The team members are Anuja Sarah Abraham, Sona Asim, Arjunaj Pillai and Nelson KG. Our project prototype works only on solar energy. A front load hardware is used. We use a 20 watt 12 volt polycrystalline solar panel and a 12 volt 7Ah lead acid battery. Two pumps are used, one to supply water to the sprinkler and the other to drain water from the dishwasher after washing. An LCD display is used to display the current status of the dishwasher. There are three switches provided to control the dishwasher, like to start, stop and to drain. A fan is also provided to dry the dishes faster. Soap water solution is supplied to the dishwasher. 6 plates and cups can be washed at a time. A filter is provided to prevent clogging and a level sensor is used to prevent overflow of water. The total washing period is about 20 minutes. There are 3 sprinklers used in total, one on the top of the dishwasher and 2 high pressure sprinklers in the bottom. This is the working model of our prototype. Hope you like it. Thank you.